Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest tech tips and tricks. Today, I am going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from your Windows PC. So, let's get started. But before uninstalling Microsoft Edge, make sure you have some other browser installed on your computer to browse the internet. Microsoft Edge is the default browser in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you want to uninstall it, there are ways to do it. I'll guide you through a couple of methods. Method 1. Uninstalling using Registry Editor. Open Apps and Features from the settings. Then search Edge in the search bar. You will see the uninstall option is locked. We are going to unlock the Microsoft Edge uninstall button. Open your Windows search and type Registry Editor. From the left menu, click on HKey Local Machine. Then click on Software. Then at the bottom, click on WoW6432 node. And then click on Microsoft. Look for Windows option and click on it. Select Current Version. And then click on Uninstall. Select Microsoft Edge, and on the right side, click on No Remove. Change the value from 1 to 0. And click OK. Now go ahead and restart your computer. Once you restart it, the Uninstall button will be unlocked in the apps, and you can uninstall Microsoft Edge from there. Method 2. Using Command Prompt. This method involves a few command line instructions. I'll walk you through step by step. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each command. You will get the commands from the description box below. Once you've entered these commands, Microsoft Edge should be uninstalled from your system. Method 3. Using PowerShell. This is another command line method, but with PowerShell instead of Command Prompt. Open the Start menu and type PowerShell. Click on Windows PowerShell. Enter the following command and press Enter. I have shown you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge using 3 different methods. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.